Let's see the types of communication in computer networks. Communication can occur in three ways, and they are point to point, broadcasting, and multicasting. In point to point, as the name suggests, two computers directly communicate with each other, that is, one to one. Whereas in broadcasting, one computer sends data to all nodes in the network, for example, distributing weather reports or live radio programs. Broadcasting a message is wasteful because some of the receivers might not be interested in the message. Multicasting is nothing but sending messages to well-defined group of nodes but not all the nodes. For example, streaming live video only to the subscribed viewers. Categories of networks. In general, there are two primary categories of networks: local area network and wide area network. Networks of a size in between are typically referred to as metropolitan area network. Local area network. Local area network or LAN is a private network of personal computers or consumer electronics that share a common communication medium such as cables or wireless connection. LANs are confined to a small geographic area such as single office or a building. LANs owned by companies are called enterprise networks. All computers in the LAN communicate through a hub or a switch. The most common type of wired LAN is the Ethernet. Here we can see a simple switched Ethernet. Each computer speaks the Ethernet protocol and connects to a box called a switch. Standard technologies used in the LAN are Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Wireless LANs are the newest evolution in LAN technology. The standard for wireless LANs is popularly known as Wi-Fi. Compared to wireless networks, wired LANs exceed them in all dimensions of performance. Many LANs use wireless technologies that are built into smartphones, tablet computers, and laptops with the help of hotspots. Wide area network. A WAN is normally referred to as a network which spans over a large geographic area that may comprise a country, a continent, or even the whole world. WAN provides long-distance transmission of data. For example, take three offices from three different cities which are located far away from each other. The three LANs can be connected using transmission lines and switching elements, that is routers, to have communication between all the computers. And this is called a WAN. In a WAN, the hosts and subnets are owned and operated by different people. Routers in a WAN usually connect different kinds of networking technology. So the networks in these offices may be a switched Ethernet and the transmission lines can be SONET links. So a WAN may be referred to as an internetwork. WAN can be circuit switched or packet switched, and it can use fiber links or wireless technologies, for example, satellite communication. Let's see the two other variations in WANs. Instead of having dedicated lines, the company may want to interconnect all its branches virtually using underlying capacity of the internet, which is called as VPN or virtual private network, and it is also a type of WAN. Instead of having dedicated lines and VPN, the company can approach a network service provider or telecom company to connect all its branches, which can also be a WAN. Metropolitan area networks. A metropolitan area network, or MAN, is a network which is bigger than LAN but smaller than WAN. It typically covers the area inside a town or a city. It is designed for those who need a high-speed connectivity. A good example of MAN is a part of a telephone company network that can provide a high-speed digital subscriber line, or DSL, to the customer. Recent developments in high-speed wireless internet have resulted in another type of MAN, which has been standardized as IEEE 802.16 and is popularly known as WiMAX.